Welcome back. Today we're going to unbox and install some Husky Weather Beater floor liners. One of the best things about these, made in the USA. It's a three-piece set since it's crew cab truck. Anyway, bucket seats in the front. Let's go ahead and put the passenger side in. Pretty good fit. Go ahead and do the driver's side next. Pretty good fitment. The backs on these. Go ahead and install the back part. I'm going to raise these seats up just to make it a little easier. Good fitment around the doors. All right, the seats. Pretty straightforward, simple install. Don't know why they ever put carpet in trucks in the first place. Thanks for watching.